and welcome everyone. So in this video we are going to create the drawing that is visible on your screen, and in order to draw this we are going to start with the center of any circle and then we will move to the other one. Now this drawing, it might look simple but it has certain curves, okay, and how we are placing them, that is a very important aspect of this one. So without further delay, let's start this video and let's learn AutoCAD. So we are going to start from the upper circle. So before starting anything, the first thing that we should do is we should always look for the dimensions that are available. So we have all the dimensions from lower as well as the upper circle. We can start from any one. So I'm going to select circle and I'm going to draw the circle using origin as the center. Okay. And what we are going to do is we will create the first circle, then we will move to the next one using lines. Okay, so radius of this circle is 7.5. So 7.5 and then press enter. After that, just zoom in to the extent that we want, and we are going to start with this line. Okay, and we are going to proceed from the center itself. Now start a line from center and draw a line of 40 units vertically downwards. Then on this side we are going to draw a line of 30 units. Then again vertically downwards we are going to move 30 units, I guess. After that, then we will be moving 45 units in this side. So 45, press enter. Now this is the center for the other circle, and we are going to insert a circle using this center, and radius is 7.5 again. So basically we have drawn these two circles. The next thing that we need to do is we need to create the outer circle, outer concentric circle. Outer radius of both of these circles is 15, so we can create an offset of required distance as well, or we can draw a circle again. So I have started circle command, and this time the radius is 15. Now for both of these the radius is 15, so we can copy them as well if we want. So it's totally up to you. Now what we are going to do is we are going to proceed with the lines. Okay, so how to start a line? Start from this particular side and just make sure it has started from the center, and in this side we will be moving till the diameter. Then on this side, basically this length that we are going to take is 40, and then we are going to join with this particular line. Okay, and whatever is left we will be adjusting that with the help of fillet command. So we have made a mistake here. That mistake is that this particular circle, this set of two circles should be somewhere here. So we need to move it. So move, specify base point as this one, and basically we need to move it by 15 distance. So along x-axis. So minus 15 comma 0 and enter. So basically this is the correct position now. Now what we are going to do here is we will select line again, start from this portion and draw a line of 30 unit length, and then again in this side we need to draw it of 30 units. So everyone should prefer coordinates. Okay, less than minus 90, enter, and then join with this one. So basically we are done with these two portions. Now we can delete these lines as well, and we are going to create some fillets that are required. Now the required fillet, we need to specify the fillet radius as 10. Now create a fillet on this location, as well as right click, repeat fillet, create a fillet on this location as well. And then the next thing that we need to do is select a line, start from the center of this circle and then vertically downwards and draw a line of 45 unit length at 180 degree angle, so that we have, and then click here, enter. Now we are going to delete the non-required portion. Now this fillet has different radius. Now radius for this one is 30 units. So specify fillet radius as 30. Then select this first line and then the second line. Now it says that the fillet radius is too large because we have created this section separately. So we can delete it. Okay, after that, now after creating this fillet, the next thing that we need to draw is this circular arc, which we are going to do with the help of 10-10 radius. So the radius of this particular circle is 50 units, and it should touch somewhere here on this side and inner side in this particular case, and the radius should be 50 units. Press enter. Now what we are going to do is we are going to trim the non-required portion from here. So this is not needed. Now these lines that we have here, these lines are also not needed. Now whatever else is there, basically we have created these two circles. Now I think this curve is also not needed, and this line, this one, not needed. So this is the drawing that we wanted to create. So it basically contains curves and radiuses. Okay, now we are going to place the dimensions. So most of the dimensions that are there are radiuses only. So specify these radiuses. Right click, repeat. Now for this one, now for the smaller radiuses, we are going to use diameter. Okay, so repeat. Now this is a very simple drawing, but sometimes if we don't have the exact understanding, it might be a little bit difficult. Okay, so diameter, specify this circle, right click, dim diameter, specify this one. Now we are left with the linear dimensions. So we need, starting from this one to this particular point, this was needed. Repeat, start it from this one and click on this one. Now we need this as well. Then the next dimension, dim linear, that is needed is this one, which is 60. Then right click, repeat, start from this one, click on this line, and this is 75. After that, right click, repeat, start from this point, and then we need this particular line. So this is 45. I hope all the dimensions are placed. Now what we are going to do is we are going to select all the similar dimensions. So right click, select similar, and change their color so that they don't cause any confusion. Okay, so let's change it to red color, and it's done. Now whatever dimensions are placed inside the diagram, we are going to remove them, or we are going to adjust them so that the drawing is properly visible. Okay, I hope all the dimensions are okay now. Let's escape. Now in order to make it a little bit appealing, what we are going to do is we are going to create a hatch of a gradient. So we are going to choose our colors, then click inside this area, and that's it. So I hope you guys have learned something new. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.